Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In this video, I am making a gorgeous resin tray, trying out a brand new mold that I got. So if I like this mold, I will end up getting a bunch of them and supplying them in my store. So we'll see how this comes out. But it's about 14 inches across, it's oval, and it's irregular shape. And I think it's pretty awesome. So I'm using Mixed Media Girl Artist Resin. And the purple that I started off with here is a custom color that I made using the Alumilite Violet Resin dye and then some Polycolor Dark Red Mica powder. And then in the middle there, I added some crushed gold pieces. You can get these from Amazon or a few different places. And then the white I'm adding here is Alumilite White Resin dye mixed with a little bit of the white Cast and Craft resin dye. Cast and Craft is the brand. You can get that also from Amazon, from Stone Coat Countertops, from Blick's Art Supplies, and a few other places. And I added some of that because from my recollection, it helps with doing what's called a resin bloom, which is kind of just a technique where you're sinking your white color into the other colors. Anyways, we'll see. It's been a long time since I used it, but that's kind of what I was going for, more or less. Now, this tray is built upside down essentially, so you can't really put the handles in it until after you demold it, unless you want to do it upside down, but the sides are slanted, so that would be a little bit odd. So after that first layer cured, I did a second layer of just clear, filling it all the way in, let that cure, and then demolded it. So I took my handles and I put them where I wanted, measured it all out, and then I put two little white marker dots and used those to drill the holes where those screws are going to go for the handles. So I'm definitely no expert with this, but it's actually pretty easy. The main issue you might have is the screws that come with the handles aren't necessarily the best ones. I had to actually go to Lowe's or Home Depot, I forget which one, and get some slightly shorter screws. So just as a note, and that's one of the reasons I prefer to just put them into the resin instead of drilling them in. But either way, so I drilled my holes and then I hand tightened the screws into each side and just a little bit just to kind of get that held in. And then I used my drill to tighten them fully, and I sunk the screws into the resin a little bit so that the bottom would be as flat as possible. And because I just did this resin tray, it's not fully cured. It did bend a little bit, so you just keep that in mind. You'll want to leave the tray flat until it is fully cured. But I think this was a pretty awesome project. I love how it came out. Let me know if you guys think I should do gold along the edge. I think I will. You can kind of see here how the edge kind of, it isn't flat or anything. It comes out at the bottom. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you all next time.